In 2003, County Battery Services Limited were awarded the Investors in People Award. The team is the company's biggest asset, and investing in them can only make the company stronger. The company uses the apprenticeship scheme to help develop young people. A system has been implemented for apprentices starting in the warehouse to find out how the business works, then moving it to the sales counter to learn more about products and customer service. The company has a number of members that have been or are going through the apprentice scheme. Luke, who now manages the warehouse, Michael, who's in charge of the Nuttall depot, Isaac, who is currently studying his AAT Level 3 in accounting, and Jack, who, after a successful first year, will be enrolling in Level 3 Team Leader and Supervisor.
The way everything's structured here is amazing. Started off just in the warehouse, like a warehouse apprentice. It usually takes around 3 to 4 weeks to be there to learn how to do the simple stuff like picking and packing and stuff like that. Then I went on to learn how to work in retail on the shop, did that for a few months, covered Steve, who works in the shop, covered him for about a month or so because he was off. And then Richard said that he'll pick my driving lessons for me because I've been doing so well. So you get more achievements from this sort of thing other than pay. And then I went on to learn how to pack build, which is like we get dual packs in that customers want us to refurbish. Learn how to build them, I'm fully capable of doing them now. And then Luke has just told me that I can become warehouse supervisor and if I want to take it on. So I'm moving on to a Level 3 Team Leader Supervisor apprenticeship, hopefully next month.
It is not apparent, but there are a number of different and diverse roles within the company. Accounts, sales, media, website, marketing, dispatch, admin, and so on. Moving staff into different roles allows them to experience different jobs and also allows them to have a greater understanding of their teammates' challenges. One of the key principles of the company is to be happy. And if someone is happy doing their job, then it will be done well. Hopefully, after training in a number of areas, a teammate will settle down in one that challenges them and that they enjoy. The 2-second lean system is a continuous improvement system that uses employee genius to help make tasks more efficient and effective. The benefits are great, staff become empowered and think for themselves, not having to continually report to management. A staff meeting is held every day, chaired by a different member of the team. Team members should know and understand there are 8 different kinds of waste, along with the mission statement and the company principles. Praise is given and mistakes are reviewed and discussed. A 2-second saving by everyone every day is recorded, and a quick roundup of what's happening within the company is voiced by each department.
I think it helps us because it helps us eliminate anything that's not working. It's not going from one person to another person. It's like changing in like the middle. Someone don't get it, everyone gets it. It's said there, and it's either sorted the next day or pretty soon. So it's good for that.